Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to require your customers to log into their respective accounts before proceeding to the checkout. To enable this setting, go to your Shopify store, then click on Settings. Here you will find an option Checkout. Click on it. On this page, there is a block Customer Contact Method. Under this, you will find a checkbox required to customer to log into their account before checkout. Just check this checkbox and save the settings. Now, when customer come to your Shopify store, let's suppose he's trying to buy this product. Add to cart. So when customer proceed to checkout, they will automatically redirect to the login page, which is asking to log in before checkout. Later on, when you want to disable the setting, go to the checkout again and uncheck this checkbox and save the settings. That's it. Thank you.